In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS as a virtual camera and stream OBS to Zoom. Before we begin, make sure you already have OBS installed and the OBS virtual camera set up on your computer. We won't cover the setup process here, but as long as the virtual camera is ready, you're good to go. It also helps to have OBS open with the scene you want to send to Zoom, whether that's your webcam with a graphic overlay, a slideshow, or a screen share with picture-in-picture. Start by joining your Zoom meeting as you normally would. Keep OBS open in the background so it can send your video feed. Remember, whatever is visible in your OBS preview is what Zoom will receive, so it's a good idea to glance at OBS and confirm your scene looks the way you want. Once you're in the Zoom meeting, look at the controls along the bottom of the window. Find the video icon. Right beside it, there's a small upward-facing arrow. Click that arrow to open the video selection menu. This menu is where Zoom lists all available cameras on your system, including hardware webcams and any virtual devices. From that menu, choose the option labeled OBS Virtual Camera. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your system, but it will clearly reference OBS. After you select it, your Zoom preview should switch from your physical webcam to the feed coming from OBS. If you've got a lower third graphic, a background, or a specific layout in OBS, you should see that appear in Zoom right away. This is a great moment to confirm framing, lighting, and any overlays so your audience sees exactly what you intend. A quick note about audio. Using the OBS virtual camera only replaces your video source. Your microphone in Zoom is controlled separately in the audio settings. Make sure your mic levels are healthy in Zoom and keep an eye on the audio meter so your voice remains clear and consistent for participants. A few helpful pointers as you go. Keep OBS running during the meeting so the video feed remains active in Zoom. If you don't see the OBS virtual camera in the list, it typically indicates the virtual camera isn't active or Zoom needs to refresh its device list. Also, some platforms mirror the local preview. That's normal, and other participants will see your content correctly oriented. That's it. By selecting OBS virtual camera in Zoom, you can present polished scenes, smooth transitions, and professional overlays directly in your meetings. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded Zoom presence.